This is how you play Seben on bass guitar. The Seben bass line is in the key of F, and the progression is 1 4 5 4. So we have F, B flat, C, B flat, F. As I mentioned in my previous video, when we say it's 1 4 5 4, we're simply speaking of the root note of, or the first note of the F major scale, the fourth note of the F major scale, which is the B flat, and the fifth note of the F major scale, which is the C. So we have the F, the B flat, the C, and back to the B flat. But this bass line is really simple. So we start off by playing, so 1 5 1, or you can also play 5 1 5 1. So you can play, or remember we always add the left thumb, so or so do 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 do, and then we go to the 2. So we're playing the G, which is the 2. So 2 2 6 5, and then 1 2 4 4 4. So I'm hammering on the 2. So do, 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 do. So do, 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 do. And then again 5 1 5 1 6, sorry, 2 2 2 6 5 2 6 5. So there are different ways I can go to the 5. I can go by 2 6 5, or 2 6 5 5 5, or 2 5 5 5 5 5, and then do 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 do. Now I did see some of you comment regarding ghost notes. So the way I mute, or the way you mute on bass, of course you can use your right hand, but I use my left hand. So what I mean by that is, for example, if I play, it will mute. So I'm simply resting my hand on the strings. I'm not pressing anything to play an actual note. I'm just resting my hand on the strings to play the ghost notes. So when I do that, I use it when I play this. Instead of doing, I do. So mute, then play. So my pinky is simply resting on that G string. So how does it sound? It sounds like this. Yes, you can also do. So you don't have to use the ghost notes. You can just play. So that's the difference when I use ghost notes. So what I'm doing, I'm doing do 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 do. So 2 6 2 6 5. So 2 6 2 6 5, and again do 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 do. But I don't have to always play the do 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 do. I can just play this again. So do 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 do